Hi everybody, this is our movie on starting to use SketchUp. And if you've gotten to this movie, you've figured out how to save your work and how to get out your student folder, and you're now actually ready to start doing some work. You'll go to the website that you can see up there on the screen, and it's going to bring you to this website here. It says Video Tutorials Getting Started, and you'll know that there are 4 tutorials that go along with this. Each of these tutorials is going to show you how to use some different tools in SketchUp, and it's really important that you take your time through these and learn all of the tools that they're showing you, because you'll use them in your other drawings when you're done. Now, most of you are probably going to spend the first 2 or 3 weeks of class, maybe even a little longer, doing these 4 projects. So don't think this is something you'll get done in a day. Now, what these projects are is you've got one that's going to show you how to make a simple house. It's going to be the very first drawing that you're going to do, and you want to keep that, but I don't need to grade that one. The second one is going to have you draw a little bit more complicated house. It's got some more things on it. This project is the first one that is going to go into my grade book as a project grade. When you're finished with this drawing, you've got it done, you just simply raise your hand. I'll come over to your desk with my clipboard and I'll go over it with you and I'll grade it. If it's got any mistakes, I'll tell you what you need to fix, and you can go ahead and fix them so you get a perfect score on it. But the second one, it's kind of an odd, because this has you build a simple house. I don't need to see that. This has you do a more complicated house. That one I need to grade. The third movie is going to have you do a room. Now, one of your projects down the line is your bedroom model that you're going to be doing. And this is basically going to kind of show you how you do that, how you put windows in, how do you make an interior space, those kind of things. A lot of neat tools used in this. And then finally, the last in this group of training videos, you're going to be building a desk. And the desk, like all of them, is very important, but the desk, you're really going to learn some important things called groups and components. You're going to be learning how to use scaling tools and the like. So it's very important that you follow these very, very careful and don't skip over any of the parts, even if you find them hard. And the best way, I think, for me to do this, since I can't remember a whole lot at once, is to go ahead and get the training movies up. So I'm going to go ahead and click that first training movie, and it will bring it up. And I'll go ahead and tell it to play. And it comes on. I'm going to pause that for a minute, because this is what I really want to show. The best way to me to do these training movies is to do a split screen with your computer, where you've got SketchUp up and where you have the movies up. And what that allows you to do is you can just watch the movie, which is going to be taking you step by step how to draw different things in SketchUp. And when you watch it, if you get to a point where it tells you to do something, then you can simply, you see here's the house coming up.
When you first start SketchUp, you'll be presented with the welcome screen.
And they'll talk to you on that. You'll have your earphones. But at any rate, you'll go ahead and work through this and then draw it over here. So you can watch a little bit of it. It'll show you something to do. You can come over here and draw it. Then you can go back and watch a little bit more of it, come back and draw it, and so on. That way you're not trying to watch a 10-minute movie and remember all sorts of different steps that they told you at once. And again, this is what is really going to introduce you to SketchUp and get you drawing effectively in the program. When you're done with these drawings, again, 3 to 4 weeks into class, then we're going to move you into some of your drawings on your own that you see up on the wall in the computer lab. So have fun with these tutorials. They're going to give you the basics. Have at it.